Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Here guys, now we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the heated steering wheel fuse is located. Now you have, guys, two different fuse boxes. The main fuse box is under the hood on your truck, in the engine bay behind the car battery, and if you open that fuse box, you guys have fuses, relays that could be Ford specific or really weird looking, guys, that could be expensive, overpriced, hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them from at a good price and quick shipping, guys. So the fuse that we need for the heated steering wheel for your F-150 will be in the cabin on your F-150, in the passenger footwell right here, and that kick panel right there on the side, on the right side. You remove that cover there and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Once you guys open it, you will see that layout. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuse that you will need to check specifically here now for the heated steering wheel will be, okay, I'm going to zoom in so you can clearly see now. We're going to come in the left side right here, and next to the fuses you'll see numbers. For instance, right here we have 33, 4, 5, 36, 37. The fuse for the heated steering wheel will be that fuse number 36, which is a 15 amp fuse that you will need to check. Check that fuse if your heated steering wheel doesn't work. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.